Hey guys, this is itouchmyapps, and I got a quick unboxing for you from Krusell.com. I did get it today, and let's get to this unboxing. Okay, so first of all, I forgot to scratch out my information. Sorry if you just saw my head and stuff. Let me cross that out. Alright, I think that's it. Any more over here? No. Okay, and I think that is it. Okay, so this is the boxing, the tape, some signature over here. The shipper agrees to UPS, blah blah, terms of sending. As you know, it says my name there and USA. So let's get this unboxing. Got my scissors here, so yeah, let's try to open this baby up. I don't know what's in here. If I'm wrong, I ordered a slim case for my MacBook, which I'm gonna get tomorrow. I'm going to get it tomorrow at Apple Store. So tomorrow I'm gonna be making an unboxing of the MacBook 2.0 gigahertz, and hopefully you'll like the unboxing of the MacBook. And just a little bit over here. I'm not using a knife because I don't think I need one. I mean, that's just silly. Using big knives for little packagings. I've seen other videos. I mean, but that's my personal thinking. I also want to say that if any of you guys have any what do you call it? Like, if you know of a good case for a MacBook, please tell me. I'm trying to find a case for my MacBook because I don't want to get it scratched or nothing. And yes, it is the one I ordered. Let's just open this up, and there is a product itself. I don't think there's a paper, no. Okay, so that's the unboxing. It's called Krusell, right there, Krusell. Get carried away reticle laptop sleeve, 15.4 inches. So definitely fits on my MacBook, and it definitely fits on my over here a PC, which is Windows. I will be making a review on this. Probably, most likely tomorrow, to check it out with the MacBook, and I'll get some other goodies with the MacBook itself, so you know what's going to be in it, guys. And that's it for this. Go ahead and go check them out in the description over there. I will leave it. And also I want to give some shout outs. One is Austin. I assist you. He's been great, really good to me. A shout out to Apple Advantage, all the guys that are in there. What else? Tom's River Smith. He's been also with me on Skype. Bearsuck99. Steven Hakamai, something like that. I don't know his YouTube. Who else? Who else? I don't know who else, but if you know any company that gives promo codes, please tell me, and I'll email them. And if I get some, I will be giving them away. I'll probably keep like 1 or 2 and rest give away. Or if they just give me 1, I'll give them away. But yeah, guys, have a great day and subscribe, rate, and comment. Bye.